Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying Python 3, 10 or newer because dependency binaries rely on modern builds. Next, install MoveAPI, OpenPython, and NumPy with pip. These libraries handle frames, masks, and blending. Then, make a backup of source. MP4 never work on originals. Once done, load the video with MoviePy, sample a 0. 5 to 1 second clip to identify the watermark area and create a simple binary mask that isolates that region for automated processing. You extract frames at the video's FPS because consistent timing keeps motion smooth. For quick iteration, process every 5th frame first. For each target frame, apply the binary mask and run OpenCV in Paint using the Telia method. It reconstructs texture by sampling nearby pixels. Adjust radius until edges look natural. Once satisfied, replace the masked area only. This preserves surrounding pixels. Make sure to reassemble frames in order and save as a temp video, while you attach the original audio to keep synchronization. You now rebuild the repaired clip with MoviePy, specifying the original FPS, codec like libx264, and a suitable bitrate so quality remains. Then, load the original audio, set start times, and composite it onto the new video before exporting to final. MP4. If you see flicker or repeating artifacts, make sure your mask is precise, increase the in-paint radius gradually, or apply temporal smoothing across adjacent frames. This removes inconsistency. Finally, test the output at full resolution to confirm removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.